Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 equal to a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. So number 8, that's about 2 to the power of 3, and this one we change by this one, and you will got about s plus 2 multiplied by s square minus 2s plus 4. Next, we need to do about partial fractions. So we have capital A over s plus 2 because s is about degree number 1, so on numerator should be about s to the power of 0. That's about degree number 0. That's why you got about 8. The next one, that's about s square minus 2s plus 4 we put in here. So this is about degree number 2, so numerator should be about degree number 1, so that should be about bs plus c. So we need to reduce 1 unit for the degree when compared between numerator and denominator. So we do about common denominator. So we have capital A multiplied by this one, capital bs plus c multiplied by s plus 2, and we have this one in here. Now we need to expand everything in here. And this one we need to expand. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s square we got about a plus b. About s we got about negative 2a plus 2b plus c. About nothing we have 4a and 2c. Now we need compare about coefficients. About s square we have s square in here. This one is about number 1, so a plus b equals to number 1. About s we have s, so we have number 3 in here, so coefficient of this one should be equals to number 3, and the last one should be equals to number 5. And now we create the system of equations. So you got about a plus b equals to number 1, negative 2a plus 2b plus c equals to number 3, and 4a plus 2c equals to number 5. So we got about 8 equals to 1 over 4, b equals to 3 over 4, and c equals to number 2. So we put a, b, c go in here. So a is about 1 over 4, b is about 3 over 4, and c is about number 2. We know that the integral of this one you will got about 1 over 4 ln of the absolute value of s plus 2. Now I will consider about this one. So number 4, I will put about 1 plus 3. And we know that this is about identity. So I will put about s minus 1. Everything to the power of 2. Now we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s minus 1 equals to the square root of number 3 tan t. So the reason I need to put about this one, because if we put this one in here, you will go about 3 tan t square. Number 3 and number 3 we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1. After doing factorization, we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify the s. So if we do first the derivative for the both side, you will got about the square root of number 3 secant of t square dt. So we put this one go in here. About s, we still have s in here, so we need to put negative number 1 go to the right. So we put this one to replace s. About the s, we change for this one. So this one you got about 3 tan t square. So number 3 and number 3 we can do about factorization. And this one we change for secant of t square. Now we simplify secant of t square on numerator and denominator. Now we have the square root of number 3 over 3. We put outside. So you will got like this. Now 3 over 4 multiplied by number 1 and the square root of number 3 tan t. Three over 4 plus 2. You will got about 11 over 4. The integral of 11 over 4, you will got about 11 over 4 t. About tan t, that's about sin t over cosine t. The integral of this one, you will got about negative 3 multiplied by the square root of number 3 over 4. And we have L negative ln of the absolute value of cosine t. And we put about c. About t, that's about this one. So we divide both sides with the square root of number 3. Later that we can use about inverse trigonometry, and we got the final answer. So we put this one to replace for t. And now we combine the answer for this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.